happens, you find that the government is compelled to do some awareness campaigns for the same. So as we speak, we are here today to sensitize the provincial members on this polio issue. And as Manicaland, and I'm sure it's nationwide, national campaign is going to start on the 20th of February to 23, targeting 0 to 10 years, the age group that is being targeted. So, ladies and gentlemen, that's the purpose of this meeting. We are going to hear more from presentations which are going to be made. And of course, it's a pity that polio has been something that has been eradicated long back, but unfortunately we are having those cases once again. So you can come, ma'am, and we hear the presentations, but with your permission, I'm going to continue with the secretary. So I just come to start the ball rolling. I hope everything is going to be fine, and let us all be quite attentive and spread the message. Thank you very much.
Samples of sewage. Saka paka detectwa 15 cases akaita positive. Saka asina detectwa obo one. Zvinenge zvichitoratidza kuti if ya detectwa mu sewage zviro detected virus iro riri kudini riri kucirculate kune vanhu vari kutori re-emit vari kutoriita pass anditika rozoonekwa mu sewage. Zvichirototi there are some people who are having the virus but vari chinyi zvavo vasiri kuratidza masigns and symptoms. Then zvataurwa kusanyati kune one case mwana akatorwa sample yetsvina yobva stool specimen yobva yadetecta futi positive. So pangoita one case kana suspected cases in environment zvinobva zvatoita call for a campaign. Saka that's why we are here to sensitize. We want to have information on NOPV campaign shared with stakeholders updated on the NOPV campaign response update, support on the NOPV campaign, lobbying from stakeholders and the availability of engagement plans. So at the end of this meeting, we want to have an engagement plan and also roles of stakeholders in the NOPV campaign discussed and agreed. So these are the objectives of the meeting. Okay, so NOPV 2 campaign, it's a campaign where our targeted population will receive oral polio vaccination. So it will be in drops. That's what is depicted in that picture. So what is polio? We are saying polio. Some people say poliomyelitis. It is a disabling and life-threatening disease which is caused by a poliovirus. So the virus spreads from person to person and can infect a person's spinal cord, causing paralysis